taking out meat, his coleslaw salad, and rice. Taking 2 eggs to complete the protein, right? And keeping the fat at this because you want some. And now we're biotin is a vitamin that this makes you absorb better the protein, the eggs. And we're gonna put some rice. Rice. Oh, you're eating carbs too much. Yes, because I want to lose my muscle, be depleted. And the meat, red meat, to keep and build the muscle is lean. See? Feel plenty. Where you should be eating plenty. No starvation is about eating healthy and train harder. You're gonna be ripped all the time.